What's going on, guys? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today I want to talk about marketing for auto detailing businesses. I get this question a lot. How do I get business for my auto detailing business? And the answer is simple. The fastest way to get your phone ringing with lots of service businesses, but auto detailing in particular, is Google Ads. So what I want to do today is just walk you inside one of our client campaigns that's absolutely crushing with Google Ads over the last few months, and just show you what could potentially happen for you guys. So let's pop in. As you can see, we're inside one of the campaigns or one of the accounts, and this is the campaign that I want to take a look at right here. As you can see, since we've been running it, the client spent $6,000. He's gotten almost 600 leads, 597 leads, cost him about $10 per lead, and his conversion rate is 32%. What does that mean? That means that for every 100 clicks we get in the campaign, we're producing 32 leads. So basically every third click is producing a lead for us. So my question becomes, what would your business look like if your phone was ringing day in and day out all day with people looking to hire you to do detailing jobs, mobile detailing jobs, or if you have a shop, they come to you. We have campaigns that could work for both of those scenarios. So just want to pop in and walk through the campaign real quick and just kind of walk you through it. So right now we're looking at the ad groups within the campaign. So you got car detailing, auto detailing, mobile auto detailing, city name, truck detailing, all sorts of stuff here. But as you can see, this is inside of a campaign, and you're going to see that like car detailing is going to get the bulk of the action. That's where a majority of our leads are coming from. And yeah, this is it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple for us to run these campaigns. We love doing them. All of our auto detailing clients do really well. And if this is something of interest, hit me up. All you got to do is click the link below in the description and just reach out, say hello, and we'll have a quick chat and see if this might work for you in your market. But typically it takes us about, I usually say 2 to 4 business days to get you live. So if it's something you're interested in, just hit me up. We have a conversation, see if there's a fit there, see if you like me, if I like you, and if we want to do something. And if we do want to move forward, you're looking at roughly 2 to 4 business days from the time we take the onboarding email back from you until the time we're ready to go live in market. So if you are searching around looking for something to get your phone ringing for business, again, Google Ads, nothing's going to be faster than it. Nothing's going to be more predictable than it. And it's a great way to scale your business because not only is it profitable on the front end where you acquire that business, but then think of all the repeat business you're going to get on the back end, and then think of all the referrals and everything else that comes off of that. So it's a great tip of the spear advertising method. It can generate leads very quickly, very efficiently. Yeah. So if you have any questions, just hit me up. Again, link in the description, or give me a buzz, 917-310-1597. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.